Here are 10 questions and answers about the respiratory system. 1. What is the main function of the respiratory system? Answer. The respiratory system helps us breathe by taking in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide from the body. 2. What are the main organs of the respiratory system? Answer. The main organs are the nose, trachea, lungs, bronchi, and diaphragm. What is the role of the lungs? Answer. The lungs are responsible for gas exchange. They take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. What is the diaphragm and what does it do? Answer. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle below the lungs that helps with breathing by contracting and relaxing to move air in and out. 5. What is inhalation and exhalation? Answer. Inhalation is breathing in air, oxygen, and exhalation is breathing out air, carbon dioxide. 6. What are alveoli and why are they important? Answer. Alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between the lungs and blood. 7. How does oxygen enter the blood from the lungs? Answer. Oxygen passes from the alveoli into tiny blood vessels, capillaries, and attaches to red blood cells for transport. 8. What is the role of the nose in the respiratory system? Answer. The nose filters, warms, and moistens the air before it enters the lungs. What happens to the diaphragm when you breathe in? Answer. When you inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for the lungs to expand and fill with air. 10. How does the respiratory system work with the circulatory system? Answer. The respiratory system provides oxygen to the blood, and the circulatory system transports that oxygen to the rest of the body while carrying carbon dioxide back to the lungs.